Hi, I'm Lavanya, and this is Cooper. He's not new. He's actually been here longer than most of the team because his dad started the company. So Cooper has always had a certain confidence about where he's allowed to be, like the spot I was just sitting in. Though I do suppose he owns the chair, actually. Anyway, Cooper has agreed to audit this month's product updates, so let's begin. Every time you sit down to build a page, you have an idea for it, right? You know who it's for, you know what it's supposed to say. You can almost picture how it's supposed to feel when someone lands on it. And then, before any of that can happen, you're picking a template and then you're figuring out how many columns it's got to have, how many rows. And then you have to get the branding right, making sure that the fonts are correct, the colors. And look, all of that matters. It genuinely does because none of this is wasted work, but it's also supposed to be in service of the idea. And by the time you're through all of it, you're probably already a little tired, and the idea is probably a little fuzzy. Which is why we've built Clever Stories all new prompt based editor. You start with the idea, and everything else falls into place around it. Describe the page, who it's for, what it's supposed to do, and Clever Story handles the rest from the structure, the layout. It even pulls in your branding automatically. And the fun part is you get to see it at work. The live loader shows you exactly what it's doing each step of the way. So you get to the idea faster and you get to keep it too. When someone gives you an hour to pitch, that's fine because you can find your rhythm, you can warm up, really figure out what's landing. But when someone says, hey, you have 2 minutes, tell me what you do, that's the bigger opportunity, right? Because you have their full attention, which almost never happens. And that's the hardest thing to do well because there's no warming up. You have to be clear and compelling immediately or the moment's gone. Which is why we made Elevator Pitch, a new type of simulation on Hay Sales. And here's how it works. You set the scenario, like who the prospect is, what the context is, how long you've got, then you record your pitch and submit. And for the first time with video too and not just audio, because how you say something matters just as much as what you say. Then you get scored, you get the recording, and you get to go again. All the fumbling happens right here and not when it counts. Last one, and this one's for anyone who spent 20 minutes looking for a file they were absolutely certain existed. And the reason for this is so predictable. So someone uploaded a file in a rush and skipped the tags, and then someone else did, and then 40 other people did the same thing over the course of 6 months. And now your content library practically unusable. And when you finally find what you were looking for, you guessed it, no tags, no description, nothing. And no one's the villain here, right? Tagging things is just annoying to do. Auto tagging on Paperflight fixes that. Every upload gets tagged automatically from that point on. So descriptions, custom fields, the works. Nobody has to remember and nobody has to go back and clean anything up. It also won't touch what's already there. So anything that's been filled in stays exactly as it is. And now people can actually find what they were looking for easier than ever, and nobody had to change the way they work for that to happen. That's March. We're done here because Cooper needs the room now. He has a 3 p.m. It's on the calendar. It just says NAP. Don't know what that is, but it happens every day, so it must be important.